We are under war conditions. Listen to this broadcast for your safety. This is not a drill. Please don't panic. As you have noticed in our country, there have been numerous attacks carried by the Toyota Corolla Cross-GR vehicles. If you spotted one trying to attack you, run and hide immediately. Your life is in grave danger. Please lock any entrances. Close your windows. Close all curtains. Hide under a basement. Or, if you don't have a basement, hide in something. If you have children, try to keep he or she calm. There will be consequences if you don't follow what's done. If you have a pet animal, bring them and prepare supplies for about 7 years. What's that sound? Please, no. I'll give you anything. Please.
Hello, this is the TCC GR Gov. We've invaded the very country, but we'll make this country better. All channels will be broadcasted this message to be aware. Do not follow what the previous emergency broadcast said. You may have freedom. Our army will not kill you. We will transform this country to an eco-friendly version, upgrading infrastructure, higher security, many more. Do not panic, stay calm, no one is here to hurt you. All various citizens will replace their nationality, passport, government ID, driver's license, medical ID, and many more. You may replace these in government-made buildings. They will replace everything and it will be fast as possible and is free without cash. If you don't replace them by February 28th, 2027, you will be sentenced in jail for about 7.5 years. We appreciate you for listening to this friendly broadcast. Thank you and goodbye.